In this video, we will take you on a fast-paced ride through the remarkable story of the automobile, from its humble beginnings to the present day. Get ready to buckle up and enjoy the ride. 1. The birth of the automobile. In 1886, Karl Benz unveiled the first gasoline-powered automobile, the Benz patent motor wagon. 2. The assembly line revolution. In 1913, Henry Ford introduced the moving assembly line, dramatically increasing production efficiency. 3. Mass production and affordability. By the 1920s, advancements in manufacturing techniques made cars more affordable for the masses. 4. The rise of iconic models. The Ford Model T, Volkswagen Beetle, and Chevrolet Corvette became legendary symbols of automotive design and innovation. 5. Post-World War II boom. The economic boom after World War II led to a surge in car ownership and the birth of the American muscle car. 6. The rise of Japanese automakers. Japanese manufacturers like Toyota and Honda gained prominence with their reliable and fuel-efficient vehicles. 7. Environmental concerns and fuel efficiency. The 1970s oil crisis spurred the development of fuel-efficient technologies and the rise of hybrid and electric vehicles. 8. The digital revolution. The late 20th century saw the integration of advanced electronics, including computerized systems, in modern cars. 9. Autonomous driving. The 21st century brought significant advancements in autonomous vehicle technology, paving the way for self-driving cars. 10. The future of mobility. Today, we are witnessing the rise of electric vehicles, connectivity, and shared mobility services, shaping the future of transportation. And there you have it, the remarkable history of the automobile summed up in just 10 points. From Karl Benz's motor wagon to the autonomous and electric vehicles of today, the automotive industry continues to push boundaries and shape our world. We hope you enjoyed this journey through time. Drive safely, and until next time.